Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Afterpay API Integration. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. Integrating the Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform can help increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. To get started, you will need to create an Afterpay merchant account and obtain your API credentials, including your merchant ID and secret key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your API requests. The first step in the integration process is to set up your development environment. This includes installing the necessary libraries and dependencies, such as the Afterpay API SDK. The SDK provides a set of pre-built functions that simplify the integration process and reduce the amount of code you need to write. Next, you will need to configure your API settings, including your merchant ID, secret key, and API endpoint. The API endpoint is the URL that your application will use to send requests to the Afterpay API. Once your API settings are configured, you can start building your payment flow. The payment flow typically includes the following steps: tokenization, where the customer's payment information is converted into a token; authorization, where the customer's payment is authorized; and capture, where the payment is captured and the funds are transferred to your account. To implement the payment flow, you will need to make API requests to the Afterpay API. For example, you can use the Create Token API to generate a payment token, and then use the Authorize API to authorize the payment. You can also use the Capture API to capture the payment and transfer the funds to your account. Best practices for integrating the Afterpay API include handling errors and exceptions, implementing logging and monitoring, and testing your integration thoroughly. You should also ensure that your integration is secure and compliant with industry standards, such as PCI DSS. In terms of practical examples, you can use the Afterpay API to create a payment button on your website, or to integrate Afterpay into your mobile app. You can also use the API to retrieve information about a customer's payment schedule, or to cancel a payment. In conclusion, integrating the Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform can help increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can build a secure and reliable payment flow that meets the needs of your customers. Remember to handle errors and exceptions, implement logging and monitoring, and test your integration thoroughly to ensure a smooth and seamless payment experience.